Hello everyone. So this is the set for 10,000 kilometers, which I always change. So we have here the engine oil. It's 7 liters of engine oil. This is for diesel. So we have, this is the filter for the car, for the air condition. We have a fuel filter. This is the oil filter, and we have air filter. So usually on every 10,000 kilometers, those are the things which I definitely change every time. All the parts, it will be in the description, so if you need to check for your vehicle the part number, all of them are original from Mercedes, so you can check the description.